Hello job seeker, master these writing skills for high paying jobs. Want to land a high paying job? Your writing skill could be the key. Whether you are crafting emails, reports or sales copy, mastering the right writing techniques can set you apart. Stay tuned because I am about to break down the essential writing skills that can boost your career and your paycheck. Think writing skill just for author or journalist? Think again. Employers across industries value strong writing skills. Clear communication lead a better teamwork, more sales and high customer satisfaction. In fact, professionals with excellent writing abilities often earn more than their peers. Let's dive into the must-have skills you need. There are some key writing skills for high-paying jobs. Here I am going to discuss one by one. Number 1. Professional email writing. A poorly written email can cost you opportunities. Keep your email clear, concise and professional. Start with a strong subject line, get to the point quickly and always proofread before hitting send. Number 2. Persuasive copywriting. Companies spend billions on marketing and persuasive writing drives sales. Whether it's writing ads, landing pages or product descriptions, knowing how to sell with words can make you invaluable. Number 3. Resume and cover letter writing. Your resume and cover letter are your first impression. Make every word count. Highlight achievements, use action words and tailor each application to the job description. Number 4. Report and business writing. In high-paying jobs, writing clear reports and proposal is crucial. Strong business writing skills show that you are professional, detail-oriented and ready for leadership roles. Number 5. SEO and content writing. Want to make money online? Business need SEO-friendly content to rank on Google. If you can write blog posts, social media content or website copy, you can earn big. If you want to level up your writing skills, here is how. Number 1. Read and analyze top writers in your field. Number 2. Use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway editor. Number 3. Practice daily. Write email summaries or social posts. Number 4. Keep it simple. Clear writing is equal to clear thinking. Master this writing skill and you will unlock amazing job opportunities. Which skills are you working on? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career boosting tips. See you in the next video.